This is Frankie McDowell, my own team station live from Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major winter storm is headed towards Portland, Oregon on Thursday, January 16, 2020. It's going to bring around 6 to 12 inches of snow and more. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong, such as cold Arctic air is coming from the north. That's going to bring a lot of snow in Portland, Oregon and surrounding areas as well, including Eugene, Oregon, Medford, Oregon, and Salem, Oregon, and Vancouver, Washington. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to cause blowing drifts of snow. It's going to cause reduced visibilities. It's going to cause whiteout conditions, dangerous and treacherous driving conditions in Portland, Oregon, and the surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring even more snow up in the mountains of the state of Oregon. And streets, roads, highways, the interstate highways will be so covered that will be really dangerous driving conditions in Portland, Oregon, and the surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong in Portland, Oregon, and surrounding areas as well. Winds are going to be very strong. High winds, heavy snow in Portland, Oregon as well. People in Portland, Oregon, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, your jackets ready, hats, gloves, scarves, ski pants ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food, buy case of Pepsi, buy case of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Make sure if your Samsung Galaxy Charge, Samsung Galaxy Smartphone Charge, Samsung Galaxy Tablet Charge, Smartphone, cell phone, laptop, tablet Charge, and have your 3G, 4G, 5G, LTE internet ready as well. When you drive a car, take your time to drive a car, slow down, so you don't get in car accidents. We go for a walk. Be very good for walking since the fall. Make sure your furnace is ready and turn on your furnace to keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea, keep warm. Have your extra blankets ready to keep warm. So make sure if your shovels, hefts, snow scoops, snowblowers, snowplows, salt trucks ready as well. If everybody wants to live in Portland, Oregon, be prepared for major winter storm on Thursday, January 16, 2020. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in major winter storm. Stay warm and try and be safe.